Hey, boat doctor. That's me. Hey, this is nice. He's gonna love this boat. It's a 2000 custom hull, about a 20-footer. Did that offshore bracket, put this 90 on it, about a 38, 39. We can switch the prop. He has a 15. We can go to a 17 pitch on that, same diameter. 9.9 is pushing this thing about 6.1 against the current, so about 80 miles an hour width. All this, I mean, this was an inboard jet. He's getting there. I mean, it really looks nice. Very nice riding boat too. Got a little Marina Dragonfly, works great. All the switches work, horn works, wiper works, bilge pump works, nav lights work, GPS switch work, VHF works.
Highs in the mid.
So I mean, nice boat, full tank of gas. Oh, one thing I didn't even check is maybe the wash down, no leaks. They did a good job on this. There's a switch right there. Let's see if it picks up. We maybe have to slow down a little bit. Let me see, the switch is on. Let's see here. I'm going to slow this baby down. Let's see, he doesn't have that hooked up right. Oh, he's got a live well. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. He's rigged that for a live well. So he's must got a shut-off valve in there to cut that off, is what I'm thinking. So he can go both ways. Let's see. He's got that going there, he's got that going there, he's got that going there. So that, he's gonna have to put a valve in that, or plug that one off so he can get water. Let's try that. See if that will work. Yeah, okay. Let's see, I always carry spares in his downrigger. Got a brand new electric downrigger. See if I got another plug. Oh, don't tell me. Ah, right here. Looky there. I'll put that in here so it stops the water. Let me see. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't blow that out. Yeah, it did. But he needs to have that plugged. Yeah, okay, we'll worry about that in a minute. See if that's threaded. That could be threaded. Let's see. We'll work on that later. But anyway, like I say, you should have a valve in there. And I don't see one. He's gonna have to stop that water. Okay, let's try this one here, see if this threads in. Aha. Nope, it won't. So, he just got to get himself a valve. He's got to get himself a valve in there or use a plug to plug that when he wants to use that wash down. So, we'll lift that back up. Shut that. Put locks on here. So that works good. Then we're going to shut this little kicker off, and that worked really good. Didn't hit. Yeah, he's going to really like this boat. Very stable, quiet. Then just turn the key. Put it in gear. Checklist. Hit the set button. It says T. Hit the mode button. It says troll. Let me see where it goes down to. 600 RPMs, 550. Wow. To about 1,000. Oh, 1,050. And now that's the main motor on that VTS. Variable trim switch. And then of course if you want it off, you can go back down, lower the RPMs down. And as soon as you give it gas, and then you can hit this and it gets that off of there. And it only takes 2 seconds to plane. So he needs a switch back there. I mean either a plug or a valve that you can shut that water going to the live well. But I didn't see that. Downrigger works, kicker works fine. Everything else works. Very smooth boat. So you ready? 1001, 1000. See, 2 seconds, pops right up on top. No water spray. Really coming off. So that was a beautiful, no leaks. That's planing. Then cruising. Trim her down just a hair to keep her down. There, like I say, very smooth. And it will hit the rev limiter, so I can back it off now, then just start trimming until I hit, and then back off the throttle a little bit, then trim some more. There's 33, so it definitely could use that different prop. Still does 33 miles an hour. Very nice. Goes through this really good. I'll trim it down and then give it some more gas. Because it is hitting, like I say, the rev limiter. Cuts right through this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. He'll be tickled pink. Brand new C-Star hydraulic steering to boot. This is the Boat Doctor. Repower. Redone the whole boat basically. But he had a good hole, so why not? Boom.